So most people solve this question like cancel this 4 by 4 is equal to 9 square divided by 3, right? Now 9 square is equal to 81. So 81 divided by 3, and 81 divided by 3 is equal to 27. But this answer is not correct, right? This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, PEMDAS, according to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So here we have one exponents, here division, and here multiplication. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve these exponents, right? So now 9 square is equal to 81, divide 3 upon 4, multiply 4. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 81 as it is same. Then C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this fraction, 3 upon 4 is equal to 4 upon 3. Multiply 4, right? Now 81 divided by 3 is equal to 27. So now we have 27 times 4 times 4, right? So now 27 times 4 is equal to 108. Multiply 4. Now 108 multiply 4 is equal to 432, right? So the correct answer is 432. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.